Hello Woodworms, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to pass sell or purchase section and notes directly to the warehouse and also print in this PDF format. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here this module Odoo Picking Section Note. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase ad and create new order. Select here vendor like as you and provided here this option section and note. Now add here section like a purchase section and now add here this product like a pen and another is a simple pen. Let's save and do confirm this. And see here this purchase section from purchase to receipt. And also provided this option if you want to add directly from here, then easily add. So again I want to add here section like a second section and here add note like add this section. Let's save and see here easily added in receipt section and notes. Now go to sales side and same here create new order, add here customer deco edit and now add here this section like a sales section, add product, block stream. Let's save. Do confirm this order, go to your created delivery and easily pass from sale to delivery like a sales section and your added product blockchain. Now I want to add another section for this like another section and easily add here product like a screw. And I want to add here also note like this is delivery order and directly add from here. Let's see and see here easily added here as a header for the product and note as a description. Also provided here print option in delivery slip. Now print this. And see here header and notes printed in PDF report. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.